Bo Bennett, founder and creator of YourWebEmpire.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use the 3 Good Things tool and what that's all about. What you're looking at right here is not actually the 3 Good Things tool itself. It's just a custom landing page or a custom web page that I created using the custom web page tool. Because the 3 Good Things tool itself is a members-only tool. So if we try to access the tool itself directly, and you can see the tools-3G in the title, then what we're going to see if we're not logged in is this notice. Make sure you're registered and logged in. Clearly, this does not do too much to sell the tool to people who are browsing and might want to sign up. So that's why this kind of tool, especially this tool, I created the custom landing page that tells a little bit about the tool, what it is, and it allows people to sign up directly. I created the quick registration, so all they need to do is enter their name and email address here, and I also will offer them a free gift, a digital download of one of my short books. So let's say that we are already signed up, or we're a member already. What would it look like? Well, for that we need to log in. Now I'm going to log in as myself, and I am the administrator. And because I'm the administrator, I'm going to see something a little bit different. I see the tools here. See that? I see the menu up here, the administrator tools. A regular user would not see that. Now when I logged in through the landing page. So again, I'm still at the landing page. I'm still at the custom web pages tool. I'm not at the 3 Good Things tool. To get to the 3 Good Things tool, as the administrator, I could go under the tools menu and I could just click on the 3 Good Things. But as a user that doesn't have these tools, I created a menu item, your 3 Good Things, and I also created a bunch of different buttons here all over the page so they really can't get lost. So I'm just going to click on go to your 3 Good Things. So this is what a user would actually see. Now I'm in my 3 Good Things, and I have today is Monday, January 4th, 2016, the day I'm recording this. As you can see, I have not entered anything for today. But if you scroll down, I have entered something for December 3rd. I've just did some test images and tests. And May 26th, 25th, and May 24th. This is probably a complete day here, based on real events. So this is what it would actually look like. You have the title, you have the second headline with the different icons, you have the badge up here if it's a great thing, and then you have the image. You could always edit any existing day by clicking on the edit icon, and this again is the user. And as you could see, we skipped around a lot. We went from December 3rd to May 26th and January 4th to December 3rd. That's because I haven't entered anything in those other days. If I want to go back, let's say I do want to enter things for yesterday, I would click on Show Skip Days. And what that would do is show me all the skip days. Now I could go back pretty much as far as I want and click on any day and click on edit and then fill in the information. But what I'm going to do is fill in some information for today. Now I chose to use this app as 3 Good Things. And as we will see once we go into the configure section, you could really set this up for anything, 3 of anything. There's a lot of possibilities. So for my good thing, let's say I had a good breakfast. Okay. And what made this possible? Willpower. I skipped the donuts and I went straight for the grape nuts. Okay, it's not really a great thing, but it's a good thing. I don't have any image associated with that, so I'm not going to put anything. What else happened? Let's say I met a really good guy named Dan. Hey, look, I already typed that in. Met a guy named Dan. Who or what made this possible? Getting out of the house. And the reason I selected that is because I already had that. I already typed that in before. And let's say this is a great thing. Now this I do have an image for. So I have an image of Dan on my desktop. I'm going to drag it on to this area right here. Just drag and drop. And what this does is it saves and refreshes. once it refreshes and reloads, we'll not only see the image, but we also have saved our titles. And let's say there was no third thing, and that's okay. You don't have to have 3 things every day. If you just want to fill in 2, that's fine. And because it's today, I'm still in edit mode here, so I could change anything, and I could click Save. Or I could delete the picture, and I could select a new image. So there's a lot of flexibility. And once again, if I want to go back to any day, I could go to the days, and I could click Edit. And that's how we keep track of our 3 good things. Now let's take a look at the Configure menu. I'm not going to go over all the standard sections in the Configure, but I will go over just the tool setup, which is specific to each individual tool. We have the time zone. We have the tool name. Again, it could be anything you want. We have the thing, which is the primary line, and then we have the secondary line. I chose to do good things, but again, you could do anything. And you associate any icon with the first thing. To select other icons, you just click on here, drop down, and select something different. And you have highlighted text option, the badge text that we saw when you select a great thing, and the secondary line. And then you click Configure when you're done setting this up. Each tool has the support menu that has all of the different support options. Let's go to the step-by-step guide for this. And this will take you to the home page of the step-by-step guide, and then you could click on anything that's linked here and it'll take you to some more information. This one is the easy setup that talks about how to set it up. So here are some examples what this tool could be used for. 3 good things, daily intentions, acts of kindness, daily actions, things I've learned today, business ideas, connections, prospects, and that's just a selection of just a few minutes of brainstorming. I'm sure you could come up with different things and more ideas. And it takes you through step by step how to set it up, and it shows you the example. So that is the 3 good things tool. I hope you enjoyed it. And once again, if you do have any questions or comments, go to the support section and you will see questions and answers, and that's what you want to click on to ask your questions or search the existing questions and answers.